Hello everyone, this is Sir Abdur Rehman. In this video, I'm going to explain how to solve question number 26 of 4024 paper 1 variant 2 October November 2022. This is a topic vector and there is a diagram. There are triangles OAC and OBC are given here. So OAC is a triangle and B is a point on AC such that ratio of AB and BC is 3:2, 3:2, where vector OA equals to O2A is A vector, small a, this is the symbol of vector, and vector O2B is vector B, vector B. So we have to find vector OC in terms of A and B, giving your answer in the simplest form. So we are going to find the vector OC. So we have to use the vector root O to C. We can use two roots. There are two roots we can use for O to C. The first root is O to B, then B to C. But O to B is given and B to is still unknown here. So try to travel on the second route, use the second route, which is O to A. O to A is given A, then A to C. We can find vector A, B in this route. So when there is origin given, we can find vector A, B easily. Use for the equation for A, B. When origin is given, we have to use the equation for vector A to B, AB, which is OB minus OA. I will explain why we are writing AB equal to OB minus OA in the coming video. So the value of vector OB is B here. So we go to write B, and the value and OA is small a. So don't change the font. Write down this font. This is vector AB here. So we have vector AB here. So write down vector AB, which is B minus A. B minus A. Now, to find OC, we should know vector BC. Finding, we have AB, ratio of AB and BC, which is 3:2. So we are going to use this ratio to find B to C, because we have now the vector AB, which is B minus A. So I'm going to write the ratio of these two lines, or AB over BC equals to 3:2. By taking it, we have to find BC, so we can write this. If you take reciprocal of this fraction, you should take the reciprocal of this side. So it is BC over AD. So I'm going to find BC vector. BC over AB is 2 over 3, and the BC is BC equal to twice of 2 or 3 of AB. Or you can say this is vector, these are vectors, write down symbol of vectors. Now, by putting the value of this vector AB, which was B minus A, so therefore we have BC. B to C vector is 2 or 3 to third of B minus A. Write down this diagram, 2/3 of B minus A. To find vector OC, we have two rules in this diagram. We can use O till A, then A till C, or we can use O to B, then B to C. So it is better to use the shortest route, vector route, which is O to B, then B to C. So equation will be O to for OC will be, with the help of this diagram, O to B, then B to C. O to B plus B to C. By putting the value of OB, which is the vector B, small b, plus 2/3 of B minus A, but requirement is you have to write your answer in its simplest form. It's not the simplest form, find out. After simplification, B plus 2/3 of B minus 2 or 3/3 of A. So 3 over the 3B plus 2B will be 5 over 3B minus 2 over 3A. So this is the final answer for part A. 5 over 3, B minus 2 over 3, the third of A. This was answer of part A here. Now, BD is a point on OC such that OD equals to B minus 2 or 5A. Show that OABD is a trapezium. So first mark point B on the line OC. So going to mark point D. Suppose this is the point D here. And value of D is B minus value of OD, vector OD is B minus 2 over 5A. And we have to show that OABD is a trapezium. So OABD is a trapezium. I'm going to draw the outlines. OABD. So OAB and B. This is the point. This was the point B here. O to A to B, and B to D. Now join B to O. We have to show that the diagram, the figure OABD is a trapezium. For trapezium, one pair of parallel line is must be one opposite side must be parallel. So the opposite side OD and AB are non-parallel, and we have to prove that the line, the vector OA and DB are parallel. So there is a note here. The note is if a vector OA equals to A value, and suppose vector DB is K time of A. So since vector OA is the multiple of, vector DB is a multiple of vector A, so we can say vector OA is parallel to DB. This is a note here. Now I'm going to try to show OA and DB are parallel, but first we have to find the value of DB. Vector DB here. So vector DB. To find the vector DB, since origin are given here, origin is given here, so we apply the formula usually O to OB minus OD. And by putting value, the vector OB is B minus, and vector OD is B minus 2 over 5 of A. B minus 2 over 5 of A. So after simplification, B minus B plus 2 over 5A, B and B cancel here. So 2 over 5A. And we are observing that the dB is the multiple of vector OA. Vector OA is A and the dB is 2 over 5. So we can say since a vector dB is the multiple of vector OA, therefore since vector dB is the multiple of vector OA, therefore these are parallel. The pole side in the trapezium, the pole side are parallel here. So we can say dB is the multiple of OA. So we can say these two lines are parallel according to these notes here. When the opposite side, when one pair of opposite side is parallel here, so the diagram OABD is triple. Therefore, we can say OABD is preposition shown. Thank you very much. And I hope you have understood the idea how to scan this question number 26 of 40241, paper 1, variant 2, October 2022. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.